There are reasons why your airtime is disappearing. The first reason is because of maybe you subscribed, right? You have subscription where maybe like they deduct 5 rand or 3 rand every day. The second reason is your airtime is being used as data. So on today's video, I want to show you how to stop your disappearing airtime on MTN. So if you are using other networks, please check out this video right here. I know it's an old video, but please just check it out. I'll just put out more videos other networks. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get a shout out. So we're gonna start with airtime that is being used as data, right? Yes, so dial this. And then go to option 6. Option 6 again. Out of data bundle settings. 1 data. Then you can see right here your airtime is currently blocked from being used when your data bundle runs out. So right now my airtime is blocked, right? So if your airtime is not blocked, make sure you block it. So right now my airtime is blocked. I'm not gonna do anything, right? So it's fine, right? So the second reason why your airtime is disappearing is because of you have subscription, right? You can just dial *123, go to my subscription, manage my subscription, and cancel them if you do not have MTN app, right? So I'm just gonna use my MTN app, right? MTN app, right? So if you scroll right here, you can see right here subscriptions, right? I have one subscription, right? I'm just gonna click on it. They say expired, but just go and cancel it, right? Go and cancel it. So here it is. So if you have 5, 10, cancel all of them, right? Just click on unsubscribed, right? When you unsubscribe, it's like you cancel them, right? Are you sure you want to unsubscribe? Yes. Done. And then just wait for SMS. After you receive that SMS, just know that is confirmed, and also go back again and check if it's not there. So you can see right here, right now is 0, guys. Right now is 0. And by the way, guys, if it's your first time using MTN app, you'll get free 1 gig. Just go to my gift and claim your free data. I'll just create new video of how you can do that, right? Straight from scratch. So guys, if you want to make money by just watching videos, please check out this video right here, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.